Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on Facebook Messenger. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will go to this window of Messenger and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.